I decided to make a quick clip of me shooting the camera with a water gun, but if you're wondering, the camera's not going to survive, it is, because a shield's going to be over it. Pretty cool, huh? Makes the sound pretty cool.